What's up everyone? So in today's video, I'll be putting a mod on the Tacoma that's gonna be very controversial. You're either gonna like it or you're gonna hate it. But before I show you guys what part I'm talking about, let's talk about the fitment of my new wheels and tires. If you haven't been watching any of the previous videos, my ridge grapplers are 33 by 12.5, and I have an 18-inch wheel, 9 inches wide with a +10 offset. I had to do zero trimming both in front and behind, and actually there's no rubbing against this upper control arm. I can easily stick my fingers in there. So it's pretty narrow. It's probably a 1/4 inch or less space behind that. Now at full lock, left or right, if I'm off-road, I'm probably gonna be having some rubbing on the front portion of the upper control arm. So getting into today's project, this is what I'm gonna be installing on the truck. These are 1/4 inch wheel spacers. They are not hub-centric or anything like that, but the lugs that I have on the truck, they have an extended portion to them that actually go through the wheel. So that's going to allow me to sandwich these even tighter and not have any vibrations or anything. So it's really not that big of a wheel spacer, and if I go any larger than this, like 1/2 inch or something, I will have a lot of rubbing on the back, and I don't want to do the cab chop mount or anything like that. So let's get one side in and see how it looks. So I've already went ahead and done the driver's side. I just wanted to show you how much these wheels stick out without the spacer. It's a good bit. It's not too noticeable. We'll go to the back here, and you can kind of see them just going out just a little bit. But now if we move to the driver's side, you can see them poking out just a little bit more. It's kind of hard up front to see since it's not really on level ground right underneath this tire. But we'll go ahead and turn the wheel so that way we can see if there's any rubbing. So let's check the fitment between the tire and the upper control arm. I can pretty much go all the way to my knuckles on this side, and then back on the passenger side, first digit of my finger there. So it definitely gave it a lot more space. Ooh, we are pretty close right there. You can stop there and crank it all the way back the other way. Oh, there's not even an issue up front. And then let's look. It's probably still gonna hit the upper control arm off-road, like if it was fully locked that way. So comment down below, you guys, is it worth it putting on these 10mm spacers? It's really not gonna make that much of a difference. I still don't have any rubbing anywhere. It's not on the upper control arms. It just gives me a little bit more room in between, and I still don't have to do any trimming. So I'm not sure if I wanna continue. I'm probably gonna take them off for right now, and I can always do it in the future. But let me know down below, is this something that I should do? So the truck is back to stock now. I actually bought the wheel spacers after we had the wheels and tires mounted and before we installed them because I thought I would need them, but it turns out without any of the rubbing or anything, the wheel spacers really didn't have a significant difference being on. So it's back to stock now. If it's something I want to do in the future, I can, but let me know, what do you guys think? Should I leave it like this or should I add them in the future? So comment down below, you guys, do you run wheel spacers on your truck? I had some on my 07. I never had any issues with them. They were hub-centric. Your experience with wheel spacers, have you had any issues? Are you running them and not having any issues at all? If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos to come. I'll see you guys next video.